All right, we're back trout fishing today, and we're back at the same spot where we hung that big one yesterday. We got the net today though. I was fishing over there on the pier, and caught two over there, but man, that was crowded. I just had enough. I walked around, came back over here. That's the problem, is like there's leaves all over your stuff. Once you get a leaf from it, you're done with it. I got my sunglasses this morning, so I'm about to die. Nope. I don't think that was the big. It's definitely a fish. Well, he's not here today. We're gonna go over here where the sun's not baking my eyeball. Another spot. There's two trout I caught earlier, but just trying to feed that I can. So we got them just sitting. Got the power bait mouse tails on. So I caught those two on and had good luck on them last year. So I'll sit here for a few minutes and give it a try. I just got hit over here. Hopefully we're gonna get him. Give him a little slack. That's frustrating. Running real hard here in the little packs. Another good. Alright, well, nothing here. Time to move on. Alright, so we're gonna fillet these up. And we're gonna fry up some lemon pepper trout. These things fillet really easy. They're pretty soft meat fish, so really nothing to it. There we go. Flip it over and do the same thing. Alright, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my knife in at an angle right along the rib bones and try to save as much meat as I can. And just cut the ribs right out. Give us a nice boneless fillet here. And these do have some pin bones, so I'm going to try. I might cut those out or I might leave them. There you go. And then the pin bones pretty much run right down the center. So if you want to cut those out, you're just going to cut on each side of them, right down the center of the fillet. Alright, there you go. There's one fillet right there, and the rest of these I'm going to leave the pin bones in because they're real small. So, alright, 4 fillets. I'm going to rinse them off real good and let them dry out a little bit. We're going to fry them up. Alright, so I got some flour and cornmeal and lemon pepper. So I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of that in there. It's kind of lumpy. Alright, so mix that up. And I want a good strong lemon pepper flavor on my trout. So I'll also season up the trout as well before I roll them in this. Alright, so I've got my trout fillets good and dry. So now I'm just going to give them a good coating of lemon pepper all over. I'm going to do this side and then I'm going to flip them over and do the other side. This stuff is really fighting it. He's not. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to flip them over and do the other side. Alright, so now I've got them seasoned up. I'm just going to roll them in the flour and the cornmeal. I like to kind of press it in and make sure it sticks as good as it can. If you get your fish good and dry, it'll stick a lot better. That one looks pretty good. I'll put it in the grease. Grease get a little bit warmer before I do the next piece. Wasn't quite as warm as I thought it was. Alright, she's ready to go now. Got the air fryer going with some tater tots. Some noise in the background. I went over there today and tried for about an hour and a half. I ended up catching 3, but it was just real slow. So I don't know if they're getting all caught out of the pond over there or what's going on, but it might be done for the year. Alright, very good. Looking good. Smelling good. Man, it's been a long time since I fried lemon pepper trout. Alright, first piece is done. Always put it on some paper towels to keep the grease from making it soggy. Alright, so we got the last 2 pieces cooking. This one's cooled off probably enough to eat now. I'm going to give it a try. I really don't remember the last time I had lemon pepper trout. It's been, gosh, years. And that looks good. That is awesome. Forgot how much I like the lemon pepper on trout and catfish. Man, it is good. So, hope you'll try this out. I know it's pretty much a pretty popular way to do it, but man, I love it. So, appreciate you watching. Hope you'll subscribe.